Hi, as usual, the camera stopped recording. So, as I was saying, this is the wig that I'm looking at now. Try on for the first time. You're going to see it with me. It has no parting space. It has a nice hairline, what I can see. It has, the lace is a little bit rough. It has a comb at the back, comb in either side, comb in the front, and the little bra straps that you hook in to change the wig size. So here goes. Colour number 4. So it's kind of browny colour. And I'm hoping that my camera keeps recording. So here we go. I think this one's a little bit tighter than the human hair wig one that I just tried on. But it's looking good, I think. I'm looking in the monitor. I'm going to look in the mirror in a minute. Yeah, I like it. I don't think I can really go wrong with bobs. I don't know if anyone can go wrong with the bob. It's very classic. Very face framing and all that stuff. Yeah, I like it. Get my comb, my wig comb, to give it a quick comb through. Very soft. You can really feel the difference between the real hair and the synthetic blended with human hair. So there is a difference. So yeah, this is very nice, very, very neat. So as soon as I cut that lace off, yeah, this is very neat. So you're probably thinking, God, all she ever wears is a bob. But I do have different style of bobs. So left side, right side, and I'll show you the back. Moves really nice, very light. Yeah. Oh, I'm just going to have another look in the mirror. See if there's anything different I can do with this. Anyway guys, I'm going to try on the other one quickly to show you. Hopefully, like I say, I hope my camera doesn't stop working. So that is the Brazilian Secret. Glamourtress.com. And the last one is from Designer Mix. Oh, Bobby Boss. I quite like Bobby Boss. They seem to know what they're doing. It's a 360 Swiss lace wig with a deep free parting, handcrafted natural hairline wig, human hair blend, free parting and updo styles, made with flexi fit cap, and this is it. It's pretty long, and I think I will end up cutting it down to like shoulder length. It's in the colour M2 99J. Let's have a look. Long wigs from myself. I don't think they suit me. So here it is. Let's see if I can tell you the length. No, sorry, I can't tell you the length, but I will link everything down below. I'm going to link the Glamourtress website, and then if you are interested in looking at these particular wigs you can, and if not you can just browse the site. So here it is, very nice, very wavy. I love that, very, very lovely. It's kind of a browny, reddy, gingery, it's a real mix of colour. Oh, it's really, 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 really nice. So here's the girl on the card looking beautiful, and this is the back showing styles. Let me try it on and see. It's got a nice hairline, same kind of lace I'd say as the other two. I'd say it's a little bit rough, but anyway, but it doesn't bother me. It may bother some people. There is a comb at the back, 2 combs in each side, 1 comb either side that is, and that's it. So let me try it on. Oh, BK friendly, definitely. I didn't adjust the straps, so I might have to make it a little bit tighter because it nearly flew off my head when I tipped my head back. Whoa, guys. Oh, it's very, very nice. From looking in the monitor, it looks nice from looking in the monitor, but I need to look in the mirror to get the true look. It's very light. Just get in the mirror to have a look. Yeah, oh, that's really, I must say, I like it. The waves and that looks good. Very nice. Sorry, I've gone quiet, but I'm admiring the wig on myself. Yes, it suits me. I think the more you wear wigs, you can look at a wig on a mannequin, or you can even look at a wig on the website, and you've got an idea of what suits you and what doesn't suit you. But as I've said to you before, I know that layering, waves, curls, short hair suits me. Dead straight and long, no, not for me. So yeah, here you go. It's parted in the middle, or maybe not parted, kind of. Yeah, it's parted in the middle. Very, very lovely. I like it a lot. Comes down, let me show you. Comes down to here on me, just past my boobs. And I'll show you the sides. Left side. Right side. Wavy baby. And the back. If I put my head back, it might come off. Very nice. Liking it very much. So I've made some good choices, I think, in these 3 wigs. I started wearing wigs in October 2019, and kind of got a bit obsessed. I'm still obsessed, but really got carried away. I think I bought too many, too soon, getting to know my style, getting to know what suits my face, what works for me, which brands to go for. It all takes time. If anyone's going to try and get into this, I'd say go into it really slowly, go to the wig shops, try them on, don't just look online and buy. Go into the wig shops and try them on, try on the different styles, see what you think. Take your time, just take your time, there's no rush. But yeah, this is lovely. I think Bobbi Boss do really great wigs, really do. And really good prices as well. And as I said, Glamourtress do some really, I think they're an outlet, so they do discounted prices on the wigs that they're selling. So yeah, and as I say, I would say don't go to the online shops straight away. Try them on in some shops first of all, just to get your idea of what suits you, suits your face, suits your pocket, that kind of thing, and get to know the brands as well. Anyway guys, thank you for sharing this moment with me of trying on my wigs for the first time. If there's any tips and that I can tell you, that's the only ones at the moment I can think of. Get your wig comb, they're from Amazon. This one is actually a John Reno one from the high-end website that sells the high-end wigs, obviously. As I said before, this stuff which I spray the lace with, this comes from Superdrug, and you'll see a link in my previous videos. It'll be there. The Ultra Glued Got To Be, I use any one of them. To me it's all the same, and for other people different opinions. Tail end comb, that is from Queen's in Upton Park. They do a pack of combs, and I use this for obviously getting that part. Sometimes I use that. And when I'm putting on the Got To Be glued, I use this sometimes to take down my edges to keep them smooth, and this one just to smooth out the gel along my hairline. But yeah, there you go. But yeah, thanks again everybody for watching, and take care for now. God bless you, and please remember, Jesus loves you. Really important to get Jesus in your life, and I'm not just saying that, it's the truth. Alright, take care. God bless. Thank you. Bye bye.